Upload the previous sessions.
Yes, I am just downloading them from Microsoft Teams. And khalas, now I have downloaded in my laptop. Okay. Now I will upload one by one. Okay. No, don't worry. I have all the lessons with me now in video. Khalas, I will upload now in within half an hour, inshallah. Okay. Don't worry. So, okay. Who else is coming? Bring them quickly because I cannot repeat the same thing again and again. We have very less time.
Hello,
Okay.
Mr.
Hello. Assalamu alaikum, Muhammad Amir.
Yes, Mr.
Who else? Who else is coming? Ismail is coming. Muhammad Ali is
And
coming.
Adam,
no.
Adam said he will join.
Adam will come.
Yes, he said to me that he will join. I don't know.
Okay, khalas, no problem. Now I have the worksheet in front of me. I will bring the pages. Wait.
Mr. Yusuf Ismail and Muhammad Ali will not join.
Okay. Yusuf is already not joining
Yes.
from this month. I
But
think he did not take any single class in the month of May and let alone
but
June.
but he will join the math one. He will join the math session.
Oh, yani he still didn't forget me, huh? He
Yes.
still remembers me. Good.
Yeah.
I want people to remember me for something good, not for something bad.
I always remind them with you.
Oh,
You will not join Mr. Faiz. Or he said he always said it's easy for me and like this.
okay, no problem. Good
Who?
Yusuf.
for Yusuf Firas.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4, and the next four pages. 5, 6. Oh, so now this is a Dammam University level question paper, huh? Now you will go to King Fahd University after you solve this worksheet.
Yes. See, Mister, the question that you asked us about the first class and the second class.
Yeah,
Which question?
the
The
last one.
scissors.
Mister,
The scissors.
no one answered this question except Amir.
Yeah, I was the only one to know the answer of it.
Which one? You mean this one?
which
Which
one?
class of lever? Oh, the
Yes.
bosa, Caesar. All these
It's a
examples I
class
give you
three,
in the
Mister.
class.
Yes.
All these
Yeah.
No one
example I
answered,
give you.
Mister.
All the bosa and it's the bosa or the basa. What do you call it?
The best of the
The
best.
The
The
bus,
basa.
the
basa.
bus.
Yeah.
The basa. Gave this example for you. Wheelbarrow. I told you, and this scissors. I told you.
Yes.
Okay. So let me see how many people are there. Ibrahim, Jamal, Brosted, Adnan, Badar, Osama, and Amir. Okay, so let's begin and let's start. Bismillah. So, first of all, I will tell you when you have options given in the exam. Okay, you can use smart way sometimes. What do you mean smart way? Means sometimes you can solve the question yourself and see which is the option, then you tick that. Sometimes you don't need to solve it. You need to just substitute your answer and check whether my first answer is correct. Okay, no. Then go to the second answer. Is it correct? No. Like this, yani elimination method. You got what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yani it's not
Yes, Mister.
necessary. You always solve the whole numerical. You take 10 minutes and then you say, oh, okay, B is the answer or C is the answer. Sometimes common sense can also help you. Okay. In the first question, I will tell you it's a common sense thing. No need to solve anything. Who will tell me what is the formula for pressure?
Can
Force
I
over
say?
area.
Force over
Force.
area.
Force very
Yani in the denominator, what do you have?
Area.
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 Which option in this have area in the denominator?
B.
B.
Khalas. End
Yes,
of
B.
story. End of story. Clear? Next.
Clear.
Okay. Because what is the original formula for pressure? Force over area, correct?
Area.
And area
Yes.
that means has to be at the bottom. Wait, let me connect my board also. So physics exam is on tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
just give me 1 minute. My file is ready. Now I will upload it on my channel. So you can revise it from there.
You know, Mr. Like for exams that like is back to back, we have to study like take sessions for it with you. That is physics, math, biology, and chemistry.
Okay, now I'm uploading 6.1 to 6.9. The first video I'm uploading now. Private. Save. Okay. Alas, this is going to upload now. And now I will upload for 6.9 to 6.18 or what? 17.
Yes,
It's
18.
18.
Yes, yes.
6.18. Yes, yes, yes.
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 Jamal
Yes,
has
yes.
spoiled everyone. Jamal is responsible for everyone.
Mister, they're copying me. What did I do?
He's the main virus, Mister.
6.19. He's the main virus.
Yes.
Jamal, people are calling you virus.
Yes, the yes virus, mister.
Oh, yes, a
Yeah.
virus.
Yes.
Aywa
Square
virus.
virus. Square virus.
Okay, this one is 6.1. Okay, 2. So you all have worksheet in front of you.
Yes.
Yes.
Please make sure. Yes, please make sure you have worksheet with
Yes,
you. If you don't
mister.
have, I'm giving 1 minute. Quickly go, run, bring it.
Okay.
Mister, I have worksheet and book.
Okay, you can keep the but worksheet is more important
I know.
now because I will
Is
focus on the worksheet.
is the exam from only the worksheet?
No,
No,
no, not only from
worksheet
the
and
worksheet,
No,
book.
no.
but worksheet will help you a lot, Yani, what I think.
Yes.
It's
The
worksheet
mister
and
said
textbook and the workbook.
if you don't understand the worksheet, study from the
Hmm.
book and then you will understand the worksheet.
But the level of questions is very high. Okay, come. Okay, khalas. The 2 videos are now on uploading. Maybe after 10 minutes it will be ready, inshallah. So question
Okay.
number 1, what is the answer?
A,
W over A.
W and A.
Jamal,
W.
why this one is the correct answer? Tell me.
Because there is area. When you
Okay,
read
area
the
is here.
question, it says
Area is
area.
here. La, area is here also. Area is in the 3 options. Why only the first one you selected?
I said W over A, mister.
MashaAllah. You said W over A. You said WA. Okay. Why the second one? Tell me. Why this option? So, Jamal.
Yes.
I don't know,
What?
mister.
Because they are asking what is the pressure exerted? What is the actual formula for pressure? I told you in the last revision class, if you were there, it's force over area. Okay, so area is in the what? Denominator. In the first
Denominator.
option, is area in the denominator or in the
No.
numerator? It's in the
Uh,
numerator. So the first answer is wrong. Second answer, you see area in the
Denominator.
denominator. What
In the
about the
bottom.
third? What about the third? It's at the top. At the
Yeah.
fourth, it's not even existing.
Yes.
Okay. So the answer will be B. Will be B. Wow. Will be B.
But Mister, why they mentioned the gravitational
Let
field in the question,
let
but not in
let
the answer?
them let them bring whatever they want to bring. Next question. A block of weight. Let me zoom in. Maybe some students are on their mobile phones. Who knows? A block of weight 900 Newton has rectangular faces. So this is a rectangular block. Okay.
Yes.
The dimensions are given to you 0.5, 0.4, and 0.3 meters. Okay.
Yes.
Now the question is a little bit tricky. It wants you to use your mind. What? they are telling you the block can rest on any of its faces. Yani the block you can put it such that 0.4 comes here, 0.3 comes here, 0.5 comes here.
3.
It's all the possible combinations you can take. Now, keeping all the possible combinations, what is the minimum pressure this block can make? Okay, this is the question. Look, what is the minimum pressure that the block can exert? Exert means what? Yani it can yani
Apply.
apply or like create, like the block can create. The block can create how much pressure on the ground. Now pay attention. The original formula for pressure is force over area.
area.
So if area is decreasing, pressure is increasing. Yani less
Increasing.
area, more
Yes.
pressure, more
Yes.
area, less pressure.
Less
Correct?
pressure.
Less pressure.
Now
Yes.
tell me, what is the area of this face, of the front face only? What is the area? Who can tell?
1.5.
Oh, 1.5.
0.5 multiplied 0.3. Oh, wait.
0.2.
0.5.
0.5 multiplied 0.4.
Yeah.
No.
0.5 to plus 0.4.
The area of this black face that I shaded here. This is 0.5 multiplied by 0.3.
Yes.
Yes, because
So
the
it is-
height.
Okay.
Width
Now
times height.
I will tell you the easiest way to solve this question. Out of these three dimensions, this one, oh, how thick my pen is. Okay. Now out of these three dimensions, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, which ones are the lowest two?
0.3.
0.4 and 0.3.
0.1,
0.3.
0.3 and 0.4. These two are the smallest, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So the area
Yes.
that I get from them will be the smallest. Logically, yes?
Yes.
Yani, if I
Yes.
tell you what is 0.5 multiplied by 0.4, 0.5 multiplied by 0.3, you will waste a lot of time.
Yes.
Yes? In thinking which one is lowest. Definitely, which two numbers are lowest, their answer will be lowest. Why you need to solve this one and waste your time? You got my point? Because
Yes.
we are focusing on what? The lowest
The
area.
lowest.
The lowest
Yes.
area will be received by the lowest two values. Okay. Now we will use this area. Okay. Now delete this. Delete this. So force will be what? Or pressure will be what? Force over area. What is the force?
Unknown.
Unknown.
No, force is given. Force is given
900.
900 Newton.
Oh, I didn't
900.
Oh, oh.
And area 0.12. Khala, solve this. You
0.12.
get the answer. Is calculator allowed?
Yes.
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 Yes,
Okay.
yes.
900 divided by 0.12. Tell me the answer.
Uh,
7,500.
4,500.
7.5K.
Ah, 7.5K. You got the answer? I'll tell you
Yes.
one more time how I got this answer. Look, they are asking what? Oh, they are asking the minimum
Oh,
pressure.
the minimum.
Minimum means what? Our area should be maximum. Okay, now how we will find the maximum area out of these three dimensions?
0.5 multiplied
0.4 times
0.5.
0.5.
Yes, very good, Ibrahim. And others, very good. So our maximum area will come from 0.5 and 0.4. So tell me what will be the
0.4.
maximum
0.2.
pressure?
Which
What
is
will be the
900
maximum?
divided by 0.2.
0.2 and 900.
900 divided
Equals
by
4,500.
0.5 times 0.4. Solve this in calculator and tell me.
0.4.
4,500.
4,500.
Yes, 4,500. Because 900 divided by 0.2, which is 4,500.
Correct. Okay, now you got my point. Okay, so if the teacher asks you minimum pressure, so you have to think of maximum area. Opposite, and you have to think the reverse. Okay, if the teacher tells you minimum pressure, you have to think for the maximum area. And how do you get maximum area? From the two biggest values.
Two number.
How do you get the lowest area? From the lowest two values. Very easy. Very easy. Okay, and these things are like tricky. They are not difficult, but they want to confuse your mind. You got my point?
Yes.
That's the logic here. Okay, now similarly for the next one, third question. This one is simple. This is just straight away values given. The force is
Mister,
given. The
can I-
area you have to think and tell me what is the pressure. What is the
Mister,
pressure?
can I
Yes,
answer?
Jamal. Okay, tell me.
It's
10 multiplied
it's 10
50.
multiplied
Yeah.
5 equals 50. 80 divided by 50, 1.6. So it's
Oh,
1.6 Newton.
how do you know this? Who
Yes.
helped you?
Mister,
We answered it
We
in
answered
class.
in the class.
we answered it in the
Very good.
class.
Oh, then why am I doing this? I should do the
Uh,
other questions.
Yes.
we answered that most of the worksheet, but we want more information from you.
So am I giving more information?
Yes.
Yes.
You did not get this information in the
Mister,
class?
we didn't
Yes.
we didn't understand anything from the mister.
Yeah.
See, in the
Kind of.
class, the issue is sometimes we have very limited time and the teacher cannot tell you each and everything. And it happened. I want to give you so much information, but I cannot.
No, Mr.
Because
The Mr. wasn't doing it.
you guys are beating each other, eating the hands, throwing water inside
Eating the
everyone.
hand.
Yani, how can I teach you in the class everything? I want to teach you so many things, and now it's not possible. Now I'm not in Saudi, but yani, when I was there, I wanted to teach so many things. Anyways, an engineer, mashallah, engineer Jamal designs a dam wall for a reservoir. Okay.
This question I
Which
don't understand.
which
Me too, mister.
factor determines the pressure at X? Now, before going to this question, let me ask you, who knows why the wall at the top is so thin, narrow, but at the bottom it's so thick?
Me,
Because
Mr.
under the water,
Mister,
Riyadh,
can
yeah. La
I?
la 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 la. Brosted will answer first. After Brosted, Osama will answer.
okay, because if you go down in the water, the pressure will be higher than up.
Osama, is this answer correct or you want to add something?
Mister, I can't even hear him.
Okay, no problem. Give your answer.
Okay, because the weight of the water down, there is more water putting pressure down, even though there is
Yes.
up thrust. So
Yes.
if it's all thin, the dam will just break. But up,
Correct.
there is not that much of pressure on the
Correct.
ground.
Correct.
So
I agree.
there is
I agree.
no need for a thick wall up.
Now, okay. So now the teacher is asking you the same thing. Which factor determines the pressure at X? Now, how can we decide at the pressure at X? The depth of the water? Yes, because the depth is more, the pressure will be more, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The surface area of the reservoir, the length. No, is there only one correct answer or
Yes,
more?
only one. Yes, only
Yes,
one.
it's
The
Yeah,
depth.
only one.
it's A.
The thickness of the dam. Let me open the answer key
Yes.
secretly. I want to see is my answer correct or I'm teaching you nonsense. Let me open
Yes.
the answer.
It's A. It's A. Your answer is correct, I
Yes,
think,
Mr.
Mister.
No, I think it's D. I think it's D.
No,
No,
it's
it's A.
A.
We'll see. We'll see.
In the answer key, it says A. Yes. Then what is the need? Yani, if everything is given in the answer key, then you guys already know everything. Why do you need
But
class now?
we will not
Mister,
know the rest
Oh,
of
we
the reasons.
understand.
the answer key doesn't teach us how to do it.
Oh,
It
is
only
that
gives the
yani, huh?
answer.
Okay, no problem. So now you understood the reason that the pressure at X depends on the height or the depth. Yani the deep you go down, the pressure keeps on increasing. So if the dam was until here, your thickness should be something like this. Yes?
That's why divers don't go that far in waters.
Yes, because their body will be like
Just
compressed.
get
Yes,
They'll just
There will
get
be
crushed
shawarma.
by
they
water.
will be they will be shower. Yes. Okay, question number 5. The same downward force is applied to 4 objects resting on horizontal surface. Okay, car wheel, drawing pin,
The pen.
table fork, stiletto heel. Which exerts the greater pressure on the
Pen.
surface? Why pin?
Mister, it's just
Can
Because
I say
mister,
something?
if the area was
Mister, can I say?
because if the area was smaller,
Yes.
the pressure will be higher.
This time, Ibrahim. This time, Ibrahim.
oh, okay. Because it's like inflicting like a precise like force on the surface, so it's like a more
If
pressure.
if they are asking you high pressure, the area should be
less.
Area should be least as
Yeah.
possible. Now think,
because
this car wheel is touching this much area on the ground.
Yeah,
Pin
a
is
lot better.
touching this much area. Fork is touching this much, and the heels are touching here and here. Which one do you think logically is the lowest area
the
in my red color?
pin.
my
Drawing pin.
answer is
The B part.
the drawing pin.
Yes, the drawing pin. So that will be the answer.
Because
Yes.
Mister, all the forces on like focused in one area. It's not like distributed.
No, it's no, even in the car, even in the tire, it's focused in one area. But that area is still greater than the area of the drawing pin. So I'm focusing on area. I'm not focusing on it is collected or spread out. Okay. I'm comparing the size of area. If the size of area is less, pressure is more. If area is very high, pressure is very less. Yes.
Yes.
Mr. Adam joined.
Oh, mashallah, mashallah. Let me see who else is there.
No, just Adam, I think.
Adam.
Mister, I thought the period, Mister, I think I thought like the period will be at 1:15
Oh,
minutes.
yes. Actually, sorry for inconvenience. Actually, I had a class. It was supposed to be from before this class, but because of some circumstances, that class got cancelled. That's why I became free very early. That's why I put in the group that please, I will be free from 12:45 onwards. Maybe that's why you didn't see the message in WhatsApp, and that's why you joined now. No problem. Till
Yeah.
now, we did not discuss a lot. We are just on the fifth question in the worksheet.
Yeah.
And the two videos are almost, I think, uploaded now. I will share the link now. Okay. So that I don't forget
Mister,
it.
what two videos?
The two videos are for the revision of chapter 6.1 to
Yeah.
6.19.
6.1 to 6.19.
Yes,
Oh, okay,
you
okay.
can look through the whole video. Okay. And if you have any issues, you can ask me. Okay. So let me send it now in the group. Okay. Wait. My mobile will be good. Because sometimes when you send the link through the laptop, the thumbnail is not visible, only the link shows.
No need for the thumbnail, Mister.
You want to get more reviews?
Ha 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 ha.
Mister needs to be famous.
He needs to be famous. Mr. is becoming famous, alhamdulillah, more
Of
than
course,
before.
Mister. YouTube gives money.
Not
You,
YouTube.
Mister,
La
the
la,
Mister,
Mister,
the,
I'm
the Mister is
YouTube
famous
for
احنا
already.
me.
احنا
La la
احنا
la 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 la. Let me clarify. I use
yes.
YouTube only for you guys to see the videos. I don't get one halala from YouTube. I just get money from what you guys pay to me. Yeah, really seriously. I'm not making it up.
Okay.
But Mister, you are famous already because we have 202 subscribers.
Uh, okay, this is 6.1 to 6.9, and the second video, 6.10. Six point ten to 6.19. Okay. He will. Oh, Ibrahim is also messaging. Okay, so let's come back to what we were discussing. Okay, so the reason that I gave you is that area is less. That's why pressure is more highest. Okay, now our regular seesaw question. And now these
Easy.
are becoming very easy because I already explained previous time. And even today, 3 or 4 students gave me the correct answer with steps. Like
Mister,
Adav gave me,
I
Adav
cannot
gave
recall.
me, Adam gave me, Ismail gave me, Ahmed Fuad gave me the answers. Okay, so this question basically, you have fulcrum here, the pivot that you guys call it. Okay, so the pivot is here.
Okay.
So from pivot, the weight is applied here, 2 meters. And from this pivot, the weight is applied here on the other end. So what I told you, to get the moment, you multiply what by what? Tell me, how do you get moment?
A distance by the force.
Yes, correct. Force multiplied by the
Force
distance
multiplied by distance.
give you moment. So what is the moment for this F weight? It will be F multiplied by
I
Four.
think
4
for
meter because 4.
4
Yeah.
meter.
And this should be equivalent to what? What is the force applied by this boy? 500
Thousand.
multiplied by what is the distance
Thousand.
between this boy and fulcrum? 2.
2
2 meters.
Okay. So
So
4
1000.
F
We,
will
So
be
we
what?
1000.
need
1000 divided by
Yeah, 1000
Four.
divided by 4,
1000
4.
which
divided by
is
4, that
which
is
equals
205.
250.
250.
yes,
250,
So
which
it's
is
A.
A.
250 newtons. So that means this is the first option. Okay, this is like very simple question. These questions are like bonus marks for you. And these guys are helping you in increasing your score because these questions are so easy. Okay. Due to gas molecules bombarding the walls of a container, the gas can exert stress, power, heat, pressure.
Pressure.
Because we did not study stress in
Yes.
physics, we did not study power, we did not study heat. And this
Yes,
chapter is
mister.
all about pressure and force. So, khalas, yani, you don't need that much of mind to know why this is pressure.
It's pressure, mister. It's
Yeah,
pressure.
mister. I answered like that, mister.
You answered the same way that we did not study
Yes.
stress in this chapter, not power, not heat. So, what is the odd one out?
Mister,
Pressure.
common
Pressure.
sense, Mister. Common sense.
Common sense, yes. What is a moment? I just asked you 2 minutes ago. What is a moment?
I think it's
turning
the
effect of a force.
turning
Turning
of
effect
turning
of
force, the tuning effect of the force.
It's
It's
not
B. I think
tuming, it's turning, not tuming.
I think it's B, right?
Effect
It's
of the
B.
force.
Yeah, but like it looks like as tuning, so I thought it was.
Now look this from a distance. It's looking
Yeah, it
tuming,
looks
huh?
like an M. Yeah, it
Look,
looks like an M.
look from this
Yeah,
distance,
it
tuming.
does look like a
Yes.
M.
Now look,
Yeah.
now zoom in. Turning. Magic. Okay, so B is the right answer.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Next question. You have the same forces are applied to a uniform beam pivoted at the center. Which beam is balanced? How do you guys know this?
A and B.
Because
No, what is the
center.
procedure? What is the procedure? For
Can
the
I?
first
Can
one,
I?
it's symmetrical. First one is symmetrical.
Yeah.
Yani the distance and distance is same, and the force and force
Yeah,
are
and the
same.
force
So this
is
is
the same.
balanced. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it's common sense as well.
It's common sense. But if the numbers are different, you have to calculate through the moment method. So calculate,
Yes.
tell me here. What is the moment for this?
Okay.
0.4 multiplied by 10 is how much?
0.4 multiplied by 10 equal 4.
4. Okay.
Yeah.
4 is coming here. What is the moment here?
2.
Two.
It's
2.
2.
So it is
Name.
unbalanced. Okay, go to the next one.
Yeah.
Go to the
Okay.
next one.
This unbalanced.
It's
Unbalanced.
0.4
It's-
multiplied
yeah,
by
0.4 multiplied by 5 is 2.
2.
And 0.4 multiplied by 10 is 4.
0.4
Again, it is
multiplied by
not
10 is
balanced.
4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now calculate the
This
moment
balance.
here. Calculate the moment
This
here.
one is
20 to 20.
Jamal, wait. Jamal will explain. Yes, Mr. Professor Jamal. Go for it.
this one I think it's 20. I'm not sure.
No, but it is 0.4. It's not just 4 that you tell me 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. This is 0.4. So the answer will be 2.
2. Okay.
Answer
And
will
the
be 2
other
here.
one.
Here.
2.
And the other one is 2.
How 2? Why not 20?
Because it has a 0.2.
But Mr. Also A is balanced.
Yeah.
Okay, so there
Mister,
are
Yeah,
two.
A
the,
and D.
the answer worksheet.
A and
Balance
D.
one.
So there are two correct answers in this question. The first one and the last one. Okay, two correct answers.
Yes.
But Mister,
A and
Yes.
D.
Mister,
Yes.
Mister. And the worksheet, the Mister answer only D without A.
Yes.
Really?
Oh, I did not notice one thing. I did a big mistake in A. You
Yes.
know what?
The
You know what?
What?
I did not pay attention on this arrow. It's going
arrows.
downwards.
Yes.
Oh.
Yani if
Yes.
you are pushing it down and you are pushing it up, this seesaw will go like this.
Yes.
So this is wrong. I did not pay attention on the arrow. Sorry. My mistake. Big mistake.
MashaAllah عليك, Mister. I didn't even notice the arrow.
Yes.
Even
Mr.
me.
No, I
Even
was
me.
about to say how about the arrows, but
No, arrow plays a
But
very
Mister,
important
because
role
at the
because just
start I
imagine,
but
noticed the
Mister,
arrows. So
just imagine this is a rod or this is a wooden
Mister.
scale. You push it down and you pull it up. Definitely it will not remain balanced. It will look something like this.
Mister,
Yes.
Yes,
Mister.
Riyad.
The funny thing that in the class, the
Hmm.
Mister answer A and D.
Really?
Yes,
Yes.
Yani he forgot his arrows and even
yes.
me. I got confused.
The
MashaAllah, this
the
is a trick question.
Mister got his own questions wrong.
Mister,
Wow.
he just copy pasted it.
Tasted like in English we say it tasting his own medicine. Yani when it backfires to you. Yani tasting your own medicine.
Friendly fire.
Friendly fire. Okay, question number 10.
The
Again,
same
I
this
answer.
don't
boy is
understand
coming.
this.
Yes, yes,
Again,
Mister.
this
Why is
question
he
is
still
coming.
the same thing?
Yes, it's a mistake by the Mister.
250 Newton. We
Oh,
already
I
solved
was
it.
saying which one.
Yes.
Yeah, we already did it. So
So
Yeah, we
do I put
solved
an
Oh,
it.
X
this is
on
a
it, Mister?
bonus. This is a bonus
Do I
question.
put an X on it, Mister?
yeah,
Okay,
you
now
can.
this question is not. We did not discuss it previously.
Mhm.
This question I don't understand.
I will explain. Now, in the previous seesaw questions, the
Yes.
fulcrum was somewhere in the middle, and one boy stick figure was standing here, and some weight was here, F. Yes, but in this
Yes.
figure, the fulcrum is here. This is
Yeah,
the
this is a
fulcrum.
wheelbarrow. This is a wheelbarrow.
That means this force will be calculated from fulcrum, and this force also will be calculated from
Fulcrum.
fulcrum. Clear? And we will make equal moments and we will equate them. How? Now, for this 150 Newton, it is going in which direction for the
Down.
pivot? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Uh,
For this,
uh,
it is going which direction?
and anti-clockwise. No,
The
clockwise.
anti-clockwise.
Clockwise.
Have you seen a clock on
No,
the wall, Muhammad
Yes,
Amir?
yes.
How
Clockwise.
does it
Clockwise.
how does
anti-clockwise.
it move?
Anti-clockwise.
Does it move like
Uh,
this or does it move
no,
like this?
to the right.
Okay, so it moves like this. So the moment for this force will be what?
Uh,
150
150
multiplied
multiplied by
0.75.
okay,
0.75.
which is the clockwise moment. Now,
Yes.
F is clockwise or anti-clockwise?
F.
How do you
Anti.
decide?
Anti-clockwise.
From this point,
Anti.
you make this, and this guy is going like this. Yes? So
Anti-clockwise.
it is
Yes.
anti-clockwise.
Anti.
And what
Yes.
is the distance between F and fulcrum?
0.7. No.
1.5.
100. 1.5.
1.5.
1.5.
100. Mashallah, Amir. Allah alaik. 100. What 100?
I did.
1
I was going to say 150.
point 1.5
5.
multiplied by
0.75.
F.
F. Okay. Yes.
So F will be, this guy will go in the denominator. Adam, correct? Tell me if I make a mistake, Adam, secretly. Huh?
Oh.
No,
No,
Mister. There's no
correct.
making.
So this one will go 2 times because the double of 0.75 is 2 and then half. So final answer will be
75.
75
75.
Newton,
Because it's
which
the
is
half of 150.
option number B. Please make sure you understand the question
No, Mr.
because
A.
oh
Oh,
what am I
Mr.
doing?
Mr.
Even I wrote the correct answer, I'm selecting the wrong option. Okay, what I was saying that please make sure you understand these type of questions because the teacher might give you. Okay, so please do not. So please make sure your distance has to be from the pivot point, not from force. Yani please do not make this F multiplied by 0.75. No,
Mister,
it should be
I don't
multiplied by
understand.
1.5.
Mister,
Yes.
from where
Mister, I
we
don't
get
understand.
1.5?
Wait, Mister. Wait. I'm writing.
I okay, Ibrahim, tell me your concern, then Adam, tell your concern.
يا عدنان.
Oh, Adnan, yes. Ibrahim, tell me first, what's your issue?
I don't understand like the whole like thing. Like, how do you get the
Okay.
numbers?
Okay. Adnan, you have the same issue?
No, I said from where we get 1.5.
Okay. Now I will recreate this diagram, but in an easier manner.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you have the seesaw, but nothing is here. Okay. Nothing is on the left side. If you want, you can make this diagram also. The one I'm creating here. This will help you a lot.
Okay.
Those who did not understand this original question, but those who understand, I think no need to make this seesaw.
Sure, Mister.
Okay, done, created. Now I want the mic especially for Ibrahim and Adnan. Ready?
Yes.
So tell me for this 150 Newton, what will be the moment?
150.
MashaAllah. And 150 is the moment for 150.
No.
Jamil Jiddan.
No, like I don't understand you, Mister.
See,
Like in
in
general.
the seesaw, look, in the seesaw questions, what you did, you use the force, you use the
Yeah.
distance, and you multiplied them, correct?
Yes.
Use the same logic here. 150
So
is the
okay, so the
force,
force
and what is the distance?
So 150 times 0.75.
That's what I wrote in the first statement. Adnan, clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now use the same logic, but this time for F force. How many meters is F away from the fulcrum, from the pivot? This.
Yeah. So
How much?
So
What is 0.75 plus 0.75?
1.5.
1.5.
Or you could do 0.75
0.75
multiplied by
multiplied by
2.
2. Yes.
Yeah.
And
Also.
so what will be the moment here? F multiplied by 1.5, correct?
1.5.
That's what I wrote on the right side. And then it's just simple, up and down of like calculation. That's what.
Yes.
Adnan, clear or still not clear?
Clear.
Clear, okay. So moving on. Oh, this time the trick is please take care of the arrows. Now, what we are going to do, everyone, please write clockwise. Everyone, please write in question number 12. Clockwise moment should be equal to. Okay. Now the whole class will say. Okay. Clockwise, anti-clockwise moment. In America, anti-clockwise is called what? There is another name for anti-clockwise there in America.
Not to the same position to clock. And now.
Adnan.
Yes, Mister.
In America, what do they call this anti-clock? They don't use this word. They use something else starting with C.
Anti-ساعة.
Anti-ساعة. Anti-ساعة ولا anti.
دقيقة.
Left-handed, Mister.
Counterclockwise.
Mister, I know it's
counterclockwise.
Mister, I said it first. I'm the best person here, yeah, Mister.
You said it first or you searched it first? I want clarification.
I searched it.
No,
first.
I heard it first.
Heard it first from Siri or what?
Oh, Mister, from like from a source, yeah, Mister.
Oh,
Said you
secret source. Okay. Now tell me, for now, please pay attention. This question is not very easy. And it looks easy, but it can be tricky. Now, take this pivot, okay, and try to rotate this force like this. Which direction it is?
clockwise.
Huh?
To the right.
Anti-clockwise.
Yani this is
No.
clock for you, Muhammad Amir. You need to go and look seriously for
Mister,
a
I
clock.
didn't. Like the last time I saw
Okay.
a clock on the wall, like 3 years ago.
My
Yani
God.
you see only once, and then after the football World Cup, you see the clock again after 4
No,
years.
no, I
Ha,
only
ha,
see
ha,
it
ha.
digital, Mister. Digital, like not with needles.
So 30 Newton is what? Anti-clock. Let's give it a title AC. Okay, not AC Milan. This is anti-clockwise.
AC.
Okay.
Air conditioner,
Very
Mister.
good.
Here can okay. For 60 Newton, tell me, it is AC wala C?
AC.
No, see. What?
Both are giving different answer. Adnan is giving opposite answer for Amir. 60 Newton. If it goes through the fulcrum, it goes like this, like this.
Okay.
It is clockwise or
C,
anti-clockwise?
C.
Clockwise.
C.
This is clockwise.
See.
This is clockwise. Okay. Clockwise. Okay. What about this F force? F force for the pivot.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. So write it A C Milan.
Anti-C.
Okay. Now use. Who did not understand how I decide what is AC and what is C? Who did not understand? Because if you did
Me,
not
Mister,
understand
me,
this,
I did
you
not
will make
understand.
permanent.
I
You will
I
definitely
didn't
make a mistake.
understand.
Okay. I will tell you one more time. Did you guys do an activity when you were so small that you have a thread and you put a stone here and you are rotating?
Yes, yes, yes.
rotated.
Did you guys rotate it? Or
Mister,
something
I used to
heavy?
throw it,
Not
Mister.
not necessarily used to throw it on other people. Huh?
My brother, Mr.
Yes.
So this boy, consider this is a fulcrum or pivot.
Okay.
Okay. And this is a force going. Okay. Clear?
Mister, when is it gonna hit his boy's head?
Not his head, his friend's head he will hit. Not his head. How will you hit your head with this? Wow, you are bringing danger to yourself. Please don't try this at home. Jamal.
Okay, Mister.
Now think that a boy is standing here. Okay. Definitely not Jamal because mashallah, Jamal is not like this. Okay. Now look here. AC. If this boy is having an arrow like this downwards and he rotates
Okay.
it from his hand, it will go like this somewhere.
Yes.
Yes? Which direction is this?
It's
Anti-clock or
circular
clock?
direction.
Anti-clockwise.
MashaAllah, circular direction. But which circular direction? Clock circular or anti-clock?
Mister,
Anti-clockwise.
your mic is lagging.
No, that's clockwise, Mister.
So this will
No,
be
it's not.
anti-clock.
Anti.
Okay. Now for this boy, this 60 Newton arrow is downwards. So it's like this, moving like this, correct? Like a stone in his hand. Which
I think
direction it
it's
is?
I think it's uh,
You guys seriously need
I
to
think
look
it's
at the wall.
clockwise.
Clockwise,
You
Mr.
guys need to look at
It's
the
clockwise.
wall.
Okay.
What okay? From
Mr.
after the class, I mean, not now. After the class. So
Oh,
clockwise and then
okay, okay.
anti-clockwise.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's accumulate. Let's gather the information. What are the clockwise moments? Tell me. The 60 Newton only. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I will do now, I'll make equal to. So 60 multiplied by what? What is the distance between the boy and the 60?
50.
How?
30.
How 50? Riyadh.
Because we
يا
add
مي-
30 and
يا
30.
بروستد كيف 50
صح.
Brosted.
Mr. Theory.
30 okay weird.
30.
Now anti-clockwise. Now we will do one moment plus another moment. Why? Because we have two anti-clockwise moments, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
So we will add them. We will add them. Now tell me, what is the first moment for this 30 Newton? What will I
40
write here?
multiply 30.
30 multiply 40.
30 multiplies 40, and the second moment is 60 times 30.
Yeah, no.
No.
60 multiplies 50. 50, 50.
Oh no, yeah,
60
50,
multiply
50.
50.
No. 20
Yes.
multiply
50, no, because you add.
Is this F given to you?
No.
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 Then use it as F.
Ah,
Yani
so
F
F,
multiplied by what?
20.
What
50.
is this
20.
total distance? What is this total distance?
50, 50, 50,
No,
50.
10, 10, 10.
50, 50,
10, Mister,
50.
10. 10.
KF10. KF10.
Mister, 30 minus 20.
Why minus?
Because, like, different
What is the
directions
what
of the
is
arrow.
what do you mean? From
Like,
this from this pivot.
Mister, because the arrows are in different position.
These
Like, going
arrows are not force arrows. These arrows are the dimensions. What do you mean?
Oh, okay.
Do you think this is force arrow? Yani 13 centimeter is a force?
No, no, like, you are saying the distance. So I said, like, 30
Okay.
minus 20 equal 10.
Now how? This red point, this is the pivot, right?
Yes.
Yes.
From this pivot and this force, how much is this distance? This is
50.
simple mathematics. 30 plus 20,
50,
50.
yes.
Why
But
30
Mister,
minus 20, 10?
Mister, see on the left side, like like the block is more further, like than the pivot from the other side. You see?
What do you mean? Yani they are calculating from the center. This is your issue?
Maybe.
What's your issue?
Like,
I don't know. You are
okay,
making
Mister.
simple things. This
Yeah,
is
it's just
simple
visuals.
logic.
It's just
Yani
visuals.
it's just.
Mister, it's Amir. He making simple things make them harder, mister.
Yes, I agree with you on this one.
Mister, like in class, if the mister tells them to go to him, he'll
I
take
know.
first walk the whole world, then go to him.
I
Not
know.
Mister fast.
Yeah,
So
Mister, he will check
let's
the ruler,
let's
Mister.
let's solve. What is 60 multiplied by 30? 30?
180.
30.
1000.
180.
180.
Mashallah,
1000.
mashallah,
180.
tabarakallah, Muhammad Amir. What is 30
180
multiplied by 40?
1200, Mister.
Yeah.
1200
1200.
plus 50
And
F.
then plus, yeah.
PDF.
Okay, so we want to find the value of 50 F. We don't
I
want
think
1200 here, so we will throw this guy to the left side. Okay?
I think
Yes.
yes. I
Yes,
think we
yes.
would have to divide them next. I think I'm not sure.
How Mister
Yes.
like on to the next
We
side?
have to divide.
Look, Osama. Look, Osama, we want to find the value of F, correct? So we
Yeah.
don't want 1200 here. We want to keep it to the left side. Why? So that it can be subtracted and we can solve the value of F. That's why. So we will do 1800 minus
Minus 1200.
1200 is 50F.
Yes.
Correct? Everyone,
Correct.
please note. So
Yeah, I
600
need it.
600,
Okay.
will be 50F.
50F. So
F will be
We will make divide
F will be 12.
600 divide
600,
50.
the 600 divided 5, 50.
which is
12, 12,
12, 12, 12, 12.
12 Newton, 12 Newton.
Nash. Please write down the steps because in the answer key only the correct answer is mentioned. No steps are
Yes.
mentioned. Did you guys learn these steps in the class during revision worksheet?
No.
No.
Inshallah.
No,
So you
mister.
guys,
No, he
you guys,
just
you
said the
guys,
answers.
you
You
guys
just
need
said
to
the
make a
answers,
request
mister.
for me. You guys need to make a request for me that please pay Mr. Faz salary also from OPIS, work from home. Mr. Faz is teaching you everything.
Mister, we make it secret, but one student like told every teacher about you.
Then what did they do? They can't do anything. Can they?
The teachers,
Ah,
like they knew that we have like another teacher that teaches us.
okay.
So
So
what would they do?
خلاص. See, I will
Mister,
tell you.
what send the
I'm
notes
not
to
leaking. See,
yeah.
I'm not leaking any information of the school. Yes, I'm not telling you. Okay, in this
Yes.
exam, this question will come because I asked so and so teacher. No, I'm just giving you education, and you are giving me money. Simple.
Yes.
I'm not doing any bad thing. Yani, I'm not leaking any information. I'm not revealing any
صح
secret. Am I? Okay.
صح.
So this is the reason.
But like the teachers that in class, they will feel that they are useless because you are teaching us.
Oh, emo.
What?
Okay, written this much.
Yes, sir.
12 Newton. Okay, so let me circle it. Let me circle it with a rectangle. Mashallah. Mathematics is crying in a corner. Let me circle it with a
Yeah.
rectangle. How do you circle with a rectangle? Okay, this question.
Yeah, so this question.
This is the compressible air because it's
اقرا.
Let
a
me
gas
let
particles.
let me read the question first. I didn't even what do you think? Did I read this whole worksheet? I am reading it now in front of you. So the end of a bicycle pump is sealed.
Yum.
Okay, trapped air, sealed air. The temperature
Okay.
of the air does not change. Wait, what is happening? The end of a bicycle pump. Okay, in from which you fill the tires air. I have this pump.
Uh-huh.
So sealed end, trapped air, piston. Okay. The temperature of the air does not change as the piston is pushed in. The final volume of the trapped air is 1/4 of the original volume. How does the pressure of the trapped air? Okay, so they are telling us that the volume has gone 1/4 time less. 1/4
Yes.
volume has decreased. So what will be the pressure change? Yani if volume is decreasing, is pressure increasing or decreasing?
No.
This is
Uh,
our this is our challenge now. This we have to think.
No,
yes.
no.
Okay. Now pressure formula is what?
Force over area.
Force over
Area.
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 So if area is less, pressure is
Uh,
High.
incre- uh, what? Increase.
More.
Increase.
More.
more. And if pressure
Yes.
is and if area is less,
Area will be decreased. No. If area is less,
I'm
pressure will
saying
be.
area is less, you are saying area is
Area
decreasing.
is
Yes.
What are you
less.
saying?
Mister.
Amir, khalas. I think you need to relax. So area is less, volume is no area is no. Now even now I'm becoming Amir now.
تجديد.
Amiro virus. Now if area is decreasing, force pressure. What am I saying? Sorry. Take two.
Mister, you're لخبطing mister.
I'm لخبطing. Yes, جدا. I'm لخبطing because of one
لخبطين ما شاء
student.
الله.
Okay, so what I'm saying, when area is decreased,
Okay.
pressure increases. That we
Mm.
discussed in previous questions also. And if
Yes.
area is
Yeah.
increasing, pressure will decrease.
Pressure
Till now it's
decrease.
clear. But in this question, there is no concept of area, but they are discussing about volume. Okay, look,
Ah.
they are discussing about the volume this time. Okay, so
What's
I
the
think
problem
I
with the
need
volume stuff?
So I need to wait. That's what
volume
I'm saying.
سماعات.
I need to think. I need to look at your book. Let me open this page and I want to check what is the relation between volume and pressure. Okay. Wait. Let me open your book. So
Mister,
I will.
in the class, only me and Yusuf knew how to answer this.
Okay. Tell me. Maybe your answer
Uh,
is correct. Tell me
the answer is it increases to 4 times the original value.
why.
Yes. D.
Because Mister, when you are decreasing the volume, the pressure of the air is compressed, so it will be increased four
محمد عمار
times.
left.
Why only four?
Because 1/4 and the denominator is 4, and when you multiply by 4 another time, it will be by full 1. So the final answer will be 4 times.
What you said? You said it is 1/4. Okay. And when it is
Yes.
multiplied by
Hello,
four,
mister. Is my
it will
mic
be.
working?
Yes, it's working. You said it will become full one. Yes?
Yes.
This is what you said.
So it will
So
be
if your
like
answer
it will
is
be
1,
one part of
why
air.
you are bringing 4 in the answer? If your answer is 1.
No, it increases to 4 times of the original value, Mister, because the 4 times of the original value, that is 1/4 is 1.
I got what you mean. I got what you mean. Wait. But still, let me open the book so I can give you a better explanation for this question. Wait.
Thank you, Mister.
Welcome, sir. أي خدمة.
Yeah.
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 Pressure in gases, pressure in liquid. Yes, pressure in liquid. Yes. So
Mister, is this chemistry or physics, Mister?
this is physics.
I know it's physics,
Hmm.
but it looks like
Then
chemistry, Mister.
how it looks like chemistry? Because you have a syringe here. That's why.
No, that would be biology.
Wait. Changing the volume or temperature. Gas pressure changes when the number of collision. Wait. What affects gas pressure? Gas pressure changes when the number of collision between gas particles is. There will be more collision if particles are smaller volume. Okay, now I'm going to bring a screenshot from your book. Have a
Okay,
look.
Mister.
Did you swallow the microphone?
No, Mister. My mic is just too good, Mister.
Which Sherika?
HyperX, Mister.
Hyperx
It's called HyperX Podcast Micro. Mister.
podcast. Okay,
Wallah,
now
it's
this
called
is
like
okay. No problem. No problem. So
خلاص فهمنا.
this is a فهمنا من زمان. So this question is changing the volume or temperature. Yani this screenshot is coming from your book. Okay, pressure in gases. No, so what they are telling that if volume is small, more pressure will be there because more collisions are happening. Now, this question also can be answered smartly. Yani if you have these 4 questions, first 2 you can eliminate already. Why?
okay.
Why you can
Can
eliminate? Because
decrease,
it has the
decrease,
word
decrease.
decrease. And definitely we know that if volume is decreasing, pressure will be increasing. So pressure is increasing. So the first 2 answers you can already eliminate in your mind. Yes. Now let's deal with the C and D. Increases to 3 times, increases to 4 times. What fraction is used in the question? 1/4.
1/4.
So if 1/4
One over
is
four.
used, how can you select 3? Doesn't make any sense.
لا
Yes,
exactly.
you would use 4, 4.
Yes. Jamal is multilingual, huh? So
Huh?
D will be the answer. Okay?
Okay, so it's D.
D will be the answer. Yes.
Yes.
100%. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Mister.
Mister, we
Yes.
Mister.
answered this with
Yeah.
the Mister.
And this the question 14, Amir, only him he answered this question in the
It's
class.
C. It's C. I still don't understand this.
Okay. Let me have a look at it. Let me see if I can make it easier. Adam is there or he left to Mars? Where is he?
I'm here,
Jupiter,
Mister.
Mister.
Oh, you are still here. You didn't go in the SpaceX of Elon
No.
Musk?
Ha ha ha.
Okay. Maybe he's waiting for you tomorrow.
Mister,
Yes, Adnan.
in question 13,
Ah,
how you know that it's increased? Because
because
they say
I
final
used
volume.
no. Because I originally said that if area is down, if area is decreasing, pressure is increasing. Do you agree with this statement or not?
Yes.
Okay. If area is decreasing, volume will also decrease. Because volume is what? Area multiplied by length. Okay. So if area is decreasing, then volume is also
Decreasing.
decreasing. And if volume is decreasing, pressure will increase. Okay. That's why Okay, how do I know volume is decreasing? Because they gave in the question already that what? Yani originally, what is the volume of air? This big rectangle is the volume of air. Okay, this much is air. Okay, but when they put this pump inside like this until here, how much volume is there? Is volume increased or decreased now in this situation?
It increase, I think. Yeah, it
How
increase. It
how it
increase.
decreased? How it
I said
increased?
Decrease.
increase.
It's decreased. Volume is decreased. Originally, the volume was this red, but
Uh-huh.
you
Yeah.
put in the piston, you put in the pump like this until here.
Ah,
So now the pressure is on, the volume is only this. Volume is
Yeah,
less.
1
yes.
So
Yeah,
when
so it's done
volume is
more.
less, pressure will be more.
The
Yani
pressure
there
is
will
higher.
be high pressure here.
Yes.
High pressure.
Yes.
Why? Because volume is less. That's
Or the
why
area is less.
I eliminated. That's why I eliminated the
Decrease.
volume here.
The decreased ones, yes.
Because they are asking what? They are asking the pressure now, Adnan. They are asking what? Pressure.
The pressure.
Okay. So the pressure is increased and increased 3 times while I increased 4 times. 4 times. Why? Because I used the fraction given in the original question, 1/4. The reciprocal of 1/4 is 4.
Mr. And also in the book, they wrote that the liquid particles cannot be compressed because they can touch each other. But the gas particles
Are
can
very
be
far
compressed
away from each
because,
other, yes, because they have
yeah,
very spaces, a lot of spaces between them.
yeah. So they will be compressed, so they will fit small areas. قيام جلوس ركوع. No, Mister, the C is sujood and D is ركوع.
See, sujud in the
Yes.
air.
My God.
Mister, if someone wants to learn how to solve, just give him this.
Mr.
Oh,
رياض صد
these are
Minecraft.
the okay. The diagrams show 4 objects A, B, C, D. The center of mass M for each object is marked on the diagrams. Which object is not in equilibrium? What is the meaning of equilibrium? It means if you just put it on the ground like this, it will not fall down. This means it is in
Ah,
equilibrium. Okay. So tell me,
See,
if you
Mister.
put this box like this, it will stay standing. It will
Yes.
not
Yes.
fall down unless you push it
yes.
from here. Like if you push it from here.
Only if there is like a strong wind.
Yes.
Or a force acting on it.
What about B? The center
The
of
same.
mass is here in
The
the
same.
center. It will remain as
It's
it
not
is. It will
falling.
not fall down. It will not fall down. It will remain in what? Equilibrium. Equilibrium.
Yeah.
Equilibrium means what? I used a simple word for you in balance, but the proper word is equilibrium. Okay. So this will be in
Okay.
equilibrium. This will be in equilibrium. Now the problem comes in these
This.
irregular shapes. In these two irregular shapes. Why? Because they are not like, look at the left part and look at the right part. They are not equal, but look
It
at
will fall.
here. Yani, look here. In this question, if you make a line through this M, if you make a line through this M, what do you notice? You notice that the left part is exactly identical to the right part, like a mirror
Yes.
image, correct? Like a mirror
Yes.
image. Same here. If you make a line here, left part is matching with the right part. Yes, brother?
Yes.
Correct? That was Badr?
Yes, it's
No,
correct, Mister. It's
that was
correct.
not Badr. That was Adnan. Badr, أين
Ye-
أنت?
Yes, Mister.
Is it Badr? His
Hello,
voice is
Mister.
changed or what? Is he using a voice changer of Adnan?
I think he is, Mister.
Okay.
Mister,
Yeah,
Now,
Mister, this is easy. Like
now
really easy.
if you make a line here and if you make a line here, you can notice a lot of area is coming here in the air. So this guy can fall down. But in this here, a lot of mass is here. in the M.
It will stand.
So this guy will stand because it is very heavy
Mister.
here.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah, yeah.
But this guy is so heavy here. So this guy will come down. This will be not
It's
in
very easy,
equilibrium.
mister.
Easy what?
Because it's a kind of like common sense, mister.
But I heard only two guys have common sense in 7A.
Mustafa,
Is it so? Yes, Adnan. What happened?
not equilibrium. It means not balanced.
Correct. Not equilibrium means not balanced. Equilibrium means balanced. Okay, you guys can write it down. Equilibrium. Okay. Equilibrium is equal to balanced. This is the meaning. You guys can write it down. 14. How many pages remaining? 15 and 16. So I hope today's class is like going useful.
Very useful, mister.
So useful, mister.
Super helpful.
What? Super Copa?
No,
What?
helpful.
He said
Super
helpful. He
Copa.
said helpful.
قلش في كل مكان.
Mister, are you gonna upload this? The
Yes, inshallah. I will
recording
upload.
today?
Yes.
Oh.
After this class, inshallah,
Yes,
I will
virus.
try to upload. Yes.
But tomorrow is the exam. Like, what's the difference?
No problem. If you face any difficulty, any student, no problem. You can post in the group. I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Or if I am not able to answer, maybe other good students can answer. And whoever knows, they can answer. Okay, next question now. Classify each tool. Wow, now baby stuff going on now.
I know, mister. You answer
Let's start
these,
with the
mister.
scissor. Let's start with the scissor, Osama. Tell me which class lever is this? And why? Because Osama was not with us when I taught this lesson with you to you guys.
Yes.
Yes. Osama, do you know these answers? Shabaka problem, huh? When I ask a question, Shabaka problem. Mic problem.
I saw.
Okay.
Can I answer?
Okay.
Can I
Okay,
answer?
Jamal.
Because it's the effect, mister.
Because it is the
It's a class 1. It's a effect.
effect. Mass effect or what? Are you playing video games
I mean,
here?
effort. Sorry, mister.
Effort.
Effect.
It's class 1 because it is effort.
Yes.
This is what you mean. But effort is in all the examples. Yani everything is class 1. Your reason is incorrect.
Can I answer, mister?
No. Let me see now in the class who I will catch now. Mr. Brosted.
My name is not Roasted, mister.
Yes, Mr. Brosted. Tell me, in scissor, where is the effort? Where is the fulcrum? Where is the load?
I think 3 is the effort.
Yes.
And
Osama,
one
you can
is
hear
the,
me?
and one is the load.
Yes,
Osama, can you
mister,
hear me?
I can hear you finally.
Not finally. You are already hearing me.
No, I was in the bathroom, mister. My sister told me that you called me.
Oh, how many students are there? No problem. Just kidding. Okay, Osama, I'm asking you,
Yes.
Riyadh, please stay on hold, huh? Brosted, stay on hold. Yes, Osama, I'm asking you, which class lever are these and this and this? Do you know how to figure out?
How? Like, how, mister?
Look, I will tell you. You have to know 3 terms. One is F, one is L, one is E. Okay, what is F, guys?
Fulcrum.
L is load.
And E is
Okay.
effort.
E is effort. Very good. Now, what is effort that we apply? We apply that force. Okay.
Number 3.
And load is what? Our task.
Yes.
Okay. The thing that we are holding, the thing that we are crushing. And fulcrum is what? Pivot. So please, students, those who do not remember, please write this already. But if you already understand it, no need to write. Please write this.
Really?
First write this, then I will tell you how do we figure out which class of lever it is.
Yes.
First write this. Oh, whose mic is this?
Sam.
Cartoons?
Samus.
Sam.
He instantly closed. Okay, written. Now
Yeah.
we have to label these F, L, and E in our diagram. Now, if you have F in the center, fulcrum in the center, it's a first class lever.
First, yes.
2, second class when L is in the center and effort in the center, this is a third class lever. Now, here you apply the effort because you put the fingers here. You don't put your fingers here. Jamal, don't try this at home. Okay? Do not put your finger there. Jamal.
Let him try this, sir. Let him try.
Okay, so effort will be here. And where is the pivot point? Where are the scissors rotating? About this point. Okay, so this one will be pivot for you or fulcrum for you. Okay, Osama. And here is your load because you put the paper here.
Yes.
Yes, like this. So, which letter is coming in the center?
The fulcrum.
Fulcrum. So that means it is which class lever?
First
First class lever. Okay, this is how we identify. Okay, so here it is first class lever.
Mister, I can't answer the second class.
No, now the wheelbarrow. This one, the first
Yeah,
one.
me. I can answer.
Okay, okay. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now tell me.
3 is the effort. Tamam?
Because we put the hands here. Yes.
Yes. And the wheel is the pivot.
Wheel is the pivot. Yes. Fulcrum for us. Yes. And in
The
the
wheel that
center we have the load. Yes. So which letter is here in the center?
load.
Load. So which class lever? Second class.
Second class.
Yes. Correct.
Like Mr. Wherever the load is, we can find the class. Like you say in the first class, the load is on the first first position, and in the second.
No, if I
second
make
picture,
if I make scissors like this, then what? Then load comes here.
no, but
No but.
Right.
No but.
Uh,
No but.
بطة.
Tell me now. Tell me your logic here. Ha ha ha.
If it's
Ha
if
ha
it's like
ha.
this, Mister, we
He
will.
he. Ho ho ho.
we,
So you are making your own definition, which is not working.
we will reverse it, Mister.
We will reverse it. We will reverse it. Okay, so this one is second class. That was a reverse Uno from Mr. Faiz, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Reverse
Stop.
physical studies.
Yes.
Physics.
In this small car.
Small car.
Sorry, what are you saying?
Wheelbarrow.
In this one.
Wheelbarrow. You mean this? Wheelbarrow.
Yes.
Okay, what is the issue?
The load is this thing down.
No.
The load is put, I mean the rocks or whatever you are carrying, you put it in this container. That's why it is our load. You put it here inside. You know
Also,
what is?
this the load.
No, it's not like if I write it down, it is here load, and if I write it L, doesn't matter. You can put it on top or bottom. Doesn't matter. And you can write F here, you can write E here, no problem. It will still be second class, okay? No problem. That was your question, correct? That why
Yes.
did I write it down? No problem, you can write it on top. Still, it will be second class. It's your choice. Now coming to the stapler. Okay, stapler is a tricky one. Why it is a tricky one? Because last time also I got tricked by stapler. Because why? Because this is the line. Oh, let me use the red color, the blue color. This is the line where the stapler is getting folded. Yes.
Yes.
So this is where your work is done. This is your load. This is the paper. But your
Yes.
hands should be as far from the fulcrum as possible. And your hands should be here. Here should be your fingers. Okay. So
Okay.
your effort,
No, Mr.
your
Up.
okay, from up to down, I mean like this. Yani I mean this. Okay. So your effort will be at the end and fulcrum is here. So which class lever it is?
Third.
Okay, third. What is at the center?
Third.
I think it's load. Load is in the center.
No.
So it's
Why is your teacher mentioning in the answer key this is class 3?
Because Mr.
Wait, I'll show you something. Because that day also I checked this question. Is stapler a third class or second class? Because the effort is between the load and the pivot.
Yes, here.
The load, effort. Okay. Okay. Your teacher is correct. Load, force. Load. Okay, now there is a debate. There is a debate for this answer. Some people say, look at this image. According to this image on YouTube, not on YouTube, on Quora, this is second class, yes, because the load is at the center. But according to this image, this is the third class lever, yes. So stapler is a tricky one. Do you get my point? What am I trying to say?
Yes.
Yes,
That
yes.
if you put your fingers, but usually how I do, where do I put my hands when I put pressure here.
Yes.
I don't put pressure
Yeah,
here.
also
Yeah.
me.
If you put pressure here, how can you close the stapler? You cannot close it. I stand. I mean, I stand. Okay, I stand here. So I will give to this one third class lever. Yani I don't agree with the
Stop.
second diagram. Okay, so I will
And then
change
you
my
will buy
answer.
another one.
And then I will buy another one because I already pressed it. Okay, so I will modify these values. Okay, I will modify these values. That means my load is here. I stand somewhere here and my paper is getting crushed here. No, this is F. This is F, E and L. Okay, feel. So this is third class lever. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yani
sir.
clear.
stapler one is a controversial one. Yani some people might say it is second class, some people might say it is third class. But for me personally, I told you already how I use calculator. I cannot use calculator from the tip of my fingers. I apply force here.
What
It will
calculator,
slip.
Mister?
It will slip. So I use here.
Mister, you said
Okay.
calculator.
I said calculator. Oh, sorry. No, stapler. Stapler. I think I'm getting infected by some sort of virus. I don't know.
Amir's virus.
Amir Mister.
Okay, question number 16. Now there are no options. Okay, you
Yeah,
have
it
to
solves the
solve
problem.
each end. Now a car travel distance of 300 meter with a speed of 60 meter per second. Find the time. What is the original formula for speed? Who
Speed of
knows?
this is over time.
This
Distance
is
over
over
time.
time.
Distance over time. Okay, now substitute the values. What is S? Put in this formula 60. Okay. What is D? 300.
300.
What
And
is T is not given.
unknown.
like
Unknown.
so, we can write
So
it T.
you can keep it T. Okay.
Yes.
Now just cross multiply. Do you guys know what is cross multiplication?
Yes.
60 will be
Yes, over
multiplied
1.
here. 300 will be multiplied by this one.
1.
So what we will get? We will get 60T
60. 60T equal 300.
300. So T will be
5.
no division. Yani,
300 over
division
60
by
equal 5.
which is
5
5 what?
300
5
over
Real.
seconds.
60 is
5
5.
real.
Seconds.
Please note it down.
Can I answer 17, Mr.?
Okay. Go for it.
Anomalous result is the results that doesn't fit the pattern.
Doesn't fit the pattern. What did your
Yes.
teacher mention? Let me see.
Correct.
It's Mr. I learned it from before, and I know. And you
It's the
said
same. It's the same that you said the
I know, Mr. Because I احفظ it. Like, you know.
you ahfaz it so you don't
Yes.
taqul it here.
Yeah,
You
and
don't
also
tatakallim it here.
you said I think the same in the last session when you explained this to us.
Something that is like, yes, not following the normal routine or normal pattern. It's strange. Something that
Yeah.
is weird or ajib. Okay, that is anomalous result. Like we remember there was a graph and there were some points almost going in a straight line, but one point was like out of our
The back.
answers. Okay,
Yes.
so what we need to do, we need to recalculate how did we get this point. Maybe we did a mistake, maybe the equipment we are using, maybe that is faulty, that has a problem. Okay, Adam, did you leave for SpaceX or you are still on Earth? Adam.
Mister, he's in Jupiter.
Mister, I
Oh,
need it.
okay, you are about to leave. Okay, I'll rush it quickly. So state what is Hooke's law, the principle of moment. He's asking three different things in a single question.
Yes.
Yani Hooke's
Yes.
law has no relation with
Principle of
moment.
moment.
It has no
Yes.
relation with Newton's first law. Mushakkala.
Yeah. Cocktail.
And it is mushkila also, yani. However you put the tanween. Yani it's mushkila and mushakkila both for us. Huh?
Yes.
Look. MashaAllah. Arabic is improving, huh?
Yeah.
Mushkila and mushakkila, both for us.
The shortest, the
شدة.
short L I see for
What?
the shortest L I see.
The shortest L.
Yeah, lamb, yes,
Yes,
Lamb.
lam. Okay. I'm increasing the height. Okay.
exactly.
You ate
He said,
protein.
I gave him protein, yes. Okay. So Hooke's law, you can remember the spring example. But
Yes.
why Jamal is not speaking? Aina Jamal? Al-an. Jupiter?
Mister, I'm back. I went to the bathroom.
Are you back at the same moment I ask you where is Jamal? Are you waiting from bathroom when Mr.
Wallah,
Fahd
Mister,
will ask?
Wallah, Mister, I just came back.
And see how careful I am that I missed Jamal. I noticed instantly. And when I ask where is Jamal, I'm here. I ask where is Ibrahim? Yes, mister, I just woke up from 3 hours sleep. Oh, where is Muhammad Amir? I just came after reading newspaper. What is happening here in the class? Is it Ohio going on or what? This is the mom. Please take care, everyone.
No,
Okay, quickly. So we need to finish the class in 10 minutes because I have other classes. MashaAllah, I am very mashghul because I am becoming popular in Saudi. So Alhamdulillah, 10 minutes, inshallah.
Mister is gonna be rich after this.
I am already becoming rich. Already becoming. I have started to become rich now.
millionaire.
Uh,
Okay, Hooke's
no,
law. Yes, Osama.
the cousin of online business, online calls.
Yes. I agree with you. I'm not denying it. Okay, Hooke's law is the
the length of extension, Mister.
please. If you have already memorized the whole thing, I don't want the same thing to repeat that you repeat it
Okay.
here. Okay, I'm explaining to the students that Hooke's law is what? The more force you apply, the more elongation you have. Wait, I have a call. Wait, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so if you stretch the spring by 10 Newton force, okay, class, I'm giving you a question now. Pop question, pop quiz. If you apply 10 Newton on a spring, okay, and it moves 2 centimeter extra, okay, and I change the force. I apply this time 15 Newton. So what will be the elongation? Yes, class.
17. What?
You can add half a centimeter.
If
No,
I
no, 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 no.
if I apply 10 Newton force, I get 2 centimeter elongation or extension. If I apply 15 Newton, what will be the elongation?
10. 3 and a half.
3. 3.
3 is the correct answer. Osama, explain why 3.
Because each 5 Newton is 1 centimeter.
Wow, mashallah, you are so smart. Why don't you join? Why don't you join my other classes? Yes, he's correct. He's correct that 10 Newton is giving me 2 centimeter. So in a way, we can say 5 Newton is giving me 1 centimeter. Okay. So if 10 Newton is giving me 2 centimeter and 5 Newton is giving me 1 centimeter, just add both sides. 15 Newton will give me 3 centimeter. Ha ha ha. Right?
Mister,
Yeah.
we can do the same example on your sessions or like your classes. Each session is 29 riyal, and we have to find like if 3 sessions, how many riyal it will be.
87 real. Fulus. Fulus, 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 fulus.
Mister, if Muhammad
Jannah,
Amir did,
Jannah, Jannah Baden Fulus. Huh?
if Muhammad Amir did this question, it would take him years. He'd like divide and do the.
Another
It's
Yeah, I
like
was going to say, Mister,
another
like
question. What
cross
about
question.
20 Newton? What about 20 Newton? How much will be the
4,
elongation?
4, 4,
4
4, 4, 4,
centimeters.
4.
4.
Oh, Brosted already solved it in his head.
87.
5. 5.
So
Mister, he
this
knows before
concept,
you wrote
this
it.
concept is known as Hooke's law.
No,
Khalas.
Mister C, they wrote hook like wrong. It have to be
No
H
problem, no
O
problem.
O
There has
K.
to be an E here, no problem.
Yeah.
So what I mean, if the teacher asks you Hooke's law, please do not give this example. Okay, please do not. But you can use this logic and you can say the more force we apply, the more elongation we get. Khalas, you wrote like this, full marks in Hooke's law. Is it clear, everyone? The more
Yes.
force you apply, the more elongation you get. The less force you apply, the less elongation. What is elongation? Extension. Okay, the less
Yes.
extension you get. And principle of moments, I already told you that the sum of
Yes.
clockwise moments should be equal to the sum
Equal
of.
with the clockwise movement.
Yes, the sum of clockwise should be the sum of anti-clockwise to keep in balance or to keep in equilibrium. It's up to you. You can use balance, you can use equilibrium. Clear? Newton's first law, you can have it in the book about the inertia. Yani if a body is in motion, it will try to remain in motion. If a body is at rest, it will try to remain at rest unless
A force coming
an external force is applied onto it. Okay, one more time. According to Newton's first law, if a body is at rest, it will try to remain forever at rest. If a body is in motion, it will try to continue in motion unless an
in. Apply
external force is
apply it.
applied on it. This is the Newton's first law. Clear? So other questions, I think you can directly look from the answer key. Let's
Yes,
see.
yes.
This is the force that tries to stop material sliding over across each
No,
other.
okay.
Friction.
So I think these questions you can just like look from the answer key and memorize it. No need for me to explain it
Yes.
because these are a lot
Yes, sir.
and I think I cannot finish it in the required time because I have other things also. Okay. Oh, zagazig wala zigzag. Adam, أين أنت؟ Zagazig.
Zigzag. Mr. Bra from Zagazig, not me.
I know.
What was
Zagazig.
Mr. Zakazi?
MashaAllah. See, in this issue, I have more information than you. Zagazig is a city in the Great
Oh,
Egypt.
yes. Now I know.
Okay.
City? Imagine someone telling you, hey bro, I'm going to Zagazig.
It's a name. Yes. It's a name.
And it's a historical like place.
So there is a university also there,
Yes, I know.
Zagazig University.
Mm.
Maybe from that university, this worksheet is published. Ha ha
Look,
ha.
Mr. Zagazig University. You can zigzag as much as you can.
Okay. So I think we can end the call now. Okay. You guys can look through the fill in the blanks through your worksheet. Answer key. Okay. And I think the other questions were more important because they require some explanation. These ones, you can just like put the words and memorize. Okay.
Mr. you uploaded the video today, correct?
Yes, the previous two ones are already uploaded. This one I will upload, yani, inshallah, within 1 to 2 hours, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Salaam. Any questions or we can finish?
No, finish.
Who is not there? Who left? Who left? One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh, everyone is there. Everyone is there. Okay. So I think we will end the call, everyone. Okay. Was it helpful or show?
Yes, so
So
helpful.
Nus,
helpful,
nus,
Mr. So
Helpful,
nus, nus.
helpful.
Helpful.
so
You
helpful.
are eating shawarma or
So
ish?
helpful.
Tahina. So, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It was a nice session. Okay. Bye. Take care.
Goodbye.